Good morning, everyone. Today is June 19th, 2017, Monday. My name is John Paul. I'll be adding a few proprietary trading tools to my NinjaTrader chart to show you what the signals were for today. The first is the Atlas Line, a proprietary indicator only available at DayTradeToWin.com, and you can actually see the signal 24.4275 long this morning. I'm also going to add another proprietary indicator, the At the Open 2. This is available with mentorship as well as standalone. There's actually two signals to go long using the ATO 2, the At the Open 2 24.43 long or 24.4775 on the E-mini. Remember, September contract is what everyone should be looking at in trading. I'm also going to predefine my targets and my stops, and this is important because once you do get filled long on either of these signals, I do want to have the charting platform place the signals for me automatically. That way my stops and my targets, I don't have to worry about them. They are placed for me. Then I have to manage the trade, obviously, but I don't have to worry about placing a specific stop or a specific target, which I can make mistakes on. So the At the Open 2 is based off of the initial push as the day begins. It's price action, so we're not looking at any moving averages or Bollinger Bands or Fibonacci's, anything like that. We're really outlining whether or not there's initial push as the day begins, whether it's the E-mini, the Dow, the NASDAQ, the currencies, oil. You just have to set it up properly. The Atlas Line is very popular with traders because it does give a clear direction of the market, long or short. Sometimes it's flip-flopping, and that means we should not be trading as well. So you can use it as a filter for your own trading methods, and you could use it as a standalone. It's also included with mentorship. Now, once you're filled long, either on 24.43 or at 24.4775, I have both these orders here. One is a stop order, and the other is a limit order. Once you're filled, we have to look at what can be expected. Can I make 10 ticks, 12 ticks, 20 ticks? Well, initially, if you take a look at what the current conditions are telling you, the market's pretty much normal, maybe a little slower than normal. 6 ticks is what you could expect out of this trade. If you get filled and the market has changed, you have to adjust. Maybe a little bit more volatile, maybe it's a little bit slower, but really currently we're looking at a 6-tick target. Now prior, the Atlas Line did give a signal at 24.4275. Those of you who have the Atlas Line also receive the same signal on your charts. And remember, there's a few filtering mechanisms that I teach along with using the Atlas Line. So if you do go long, you have to follow the instructions with filters. If there's news, I recommend staying away for a few minutes to see if there's actually a reaction based on that news event. So you can download the free indicator for news that I offer on DayTradeToWin.com, or
order filled.
You can look at a news calendar. Okay, long 24.48. That is the entry long using a stop order. And what you're going to notice is that the stops and the targets were automatically placed for me. I don't have to enter them manually. So the charting platform automates the exit strategy, and this is a very good thing. You're also going to notice that it's not just the Atlas Line original signal, it's also giving you another Atlas Line trade. This is now a strength trade. If you heard that doorbell sound, it means that there's another signal here indicating to go long. Now this is all taught and explained, how to manage the trade, how these entries work, what's the best way to take advantage of this type of a market during the training. It's important to have the training as well as access to the members area on DayTradeToWin. As well as in mentorship, we go over why it's important to have multiple methods always going in your favor,
Target
meaning
filled.
Everything is long like it is here. The target was just hit. The ATO, the Atlas Line, everything is saying long. What you want to avoid are trades that really hang on and don't go anywhere. Sometimes you're in a trade for an hour. That's way too long. You should be in and out fast. We entered for a reason. I want to see an immediate result based on the reason I entered into that trade to begin with. Remember, trading is risky. Don't trade on your own. Find the right teacher, use the right software, understand what you're doing before risking and taking any type of trade. Join the next mentorship class, and remember, trading involves unlimited reward as well as unlimited loss. Past or hypothetical performance is not indicative of future results. Have a great day, everyone. I'll talk to you soon.